We would now like to request Shri Mahabubul Haq Sir, Honorable Founder Chancellor, USTM and Chairman ERD Foundation to kindly present the welcome address, sir.
I must consider this day as one of the pleasant day for me. That is the day we are discussing. At that time our enrollment was only 400 plus. Today it's nearly 6,000 students in this campus. And it was administrative block in the conference room we are discussing about this initiative. And it was asked all the departments to identify brilliant students or the aspirant of competitive examinations, especially for the NET. And I still remember the hall was filled up, nearly 70-80 students were sitting. And on that day I have declared this policy, payback policy. It was not written at that time, it was in my mind, so I have announced. Everyone is surprised, even students are surprised. Is it a reality? He is telling that one naughty students, brilliant students always sometimes they become naughty. He is asking, sir, अगर हम लोग सब qualify करते हैं तो आप university कैसे चलाएंगे? So this question was needed at that time because I have to give this reply so that it can be clarified. तो मुझे कम टाइम में यही मेरे दिमाग में आंसर आया कि मैं रुमाल लेके अगर नहीं दे सकता हूँ, रुमाल लेके मैं चौराहे में चला जाऊंगा, चंदा लूंगा, and I will give the satisfaction to you. And students have given a big hand. बहुत हाथताली दिया स्टूडेंट्स ने, और हाथताली का करिश्मा यही है. We have more than 135 students cracked from the pandemic onwards. When I was receiving so many mails from the students, these students who were sitting with a colorful dress, they are very smart. They said that अभी जब तक chancellor को नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी ये काम नहीं बनेगा. So probably even HOD also instigated them, chancellor को लिखो ना. हाँ, पेबैक करना है, पैसा रिटर्न करना है, किसी को 2,25,000, किसी को 1.5 लाख, किसी को 2 लाख. So they started writing to me, some students are smiling. They have sent mail to me. So I appreciated a lot, but students are not knowing that what is our background. हमको जब पैसा आने का होता है उससे पहले चेक इशू करते हैं. And continuous development, the auditorium you are sitting, it is all sponsored by students. It is all sponsored by the students. We don't have any other source. We started medical college construction. The one of the idea in my mind, जितने पैसा वाले गार्जियन हैं उनको सब इस ऑडिटोरियम में बैठाएंगे और दरवाजा बंद कर देंगे और उनको बोलेंगे अभी तो कोई नहीं देखेगा. मैं कभी भीख नहीं मांगता, लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट्स के पास भीख मांगने से मेरा मेडिकल कॉलेज हो जाएगा. So we decided to identify 2,000 guardians, those who are teachers, doing business or doing politics. ऐसे कैटेगरी लोगों को हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया. अभी जनवरी में उनको न्यू ईयर में बुलाएंगे और पैसा मांगेंगे. बोले मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए दीजिए, ये बनाना है, दे देंगे ना, जब पेड़ में लगेगा ना तब वापस कर देंगे. Some students they started asking, sir, when you are organizing this meeting, my papa wants to come and attend this meeting and to contribute, give a loan to the university, interest-free loan. So you see, I always say students at ERDF, students at ERDF institutions are my oxygen. Student nahi hai, I am a completely zero. And I must say my entire team will be zero. So it is your presence. Sir, the students sitting today, not a single senior students are available. They are all freshers. Are you all freshers? Yes, they are all freshers. We have not organized any freshers day also. Why we have been asked to attend this program, breaking your class, so that next time ये पूरा जो स्टेज है इसमें जगह नहीं होना चाहिए, सारे इस टाइप के अचीवर होना चाहिए, नेट और गेट क्वालिफाइड स्टूडेंट्स. जस्ट वी आर शोइंग दैट हम लोग जो बोलते हैं वो करते हैं. बहुत सारे हमारे स्टाफ अभी मुझे एडवाइस देने लगे, सर अभी हाफ कर दीजिए ना, उस पॉलिसी में आपको फुल पेबैक है, उसको हाफ कर दीजिए। मैंने कहा नहीं, हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी के आधे बच्चों को नेट क्वालिफाई करने दो तो मेरे हाफ में उतर आऊंगा। आधा बच्चा 50% of the university students must qualify any of the competitive examination. It is not necessary NET, SLAT or anything. हमने बोला है कि सिविल सर्विस में फर्स्ट पोजीशन लेके आ जाओ। बाग फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर स्टूडेंट्स, anywhere बाग फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर स्टूडेंट्स, they have not come. Bag first semester student, I told, get first position in civil service, I will give Mercedes car. The students again they are thinking, what is the problem? And any student of this university, if you crack any position in UPSC examination, you will get 10 lakhs rupees. So these are all announcements. उसमें बोनी नहीं हुआ अभी तक, उसमें कुछ नहीं हुआ अभी. So there is every chance, golden opportunity for all of you, and it happens when you have a dream, and when you are nurturing your dream to make a vision, and when there is a vision, you will have a anxiety, you will have a kind of all these other kind of set objectives, so that you can transform your vision into action, and this they transform their vision into action. I am so happy. I am worried now that how I will be releasing the salary in the next month. उसले 3 दिन पहले बड़ा अच्छा बैलेंस था. It is in the form of CR ना, CR. अब रुपीस में आ गया ये. जब चेक दिया तो अकाउंट ऑफिसर ने बोला सर अभी तो ठीक है, but no issue. This is our pleasure. This is our success, and success gives the satisfaction. Satisfaction gives the life. ये हमारा लाइफ है, हमारा सबका लाइफ है. तो congratulations all the students, you have done extremely well, and certainly you will have a belongingness with your institution, which is your alma mater, and all you have received the degrees, and probably you are all working in various institutions. We need not stop it here. Any kind of services in the coming days, in your future career, for the growth, for higher education, please be in touch with your teachers. And today also it's my request, my appeal to all the teachers, we must be more aggressive. I have seen in many departments, net classes are not gone very seriously. It was the seriousness that it has shown the fruits. If we are today serious, we are showing more seriousness. Tomorrow you will see, next year will be our result will be better. So it is not only that you will be taking classes and student will be showing the result. It is your motivation. It is the environment you will be creating in the department that students are attending classes. What we have asked the students are saying, sir, we will be very much thirsty. हम लोगों को भूख लग जाएगा 4 बजे के बाद. Then we have offered the snacks in the evening, 4 to 5 in front of amenity center. This way we encourage the students. We should not demoralize. We have to continue such kind of environment so that our more and more students who are joining master degree especially, what is their future? Either they have to do B.Ed or they have to qualify NET. Otherwise they will not get any job. So most of the brilliant students, day by day we are getting brilliant students here. Their percentage is more than 80%, 70%. We have to show them path so that they can crack competitive examination in our university. And you see, we are dreaming to make this university A++ by 2026. If we want to make it really, we have to achieve at least minimum 40% students. Our 40% student must crack competitive central government, competitive state level, competitive examinations. That is one of the mandatory criteria minimum. Today's benchmark is 40%. Tomorrow maybe, next year maybe it may be 50%, because other universities they are doing well. There is a university in Chennai. They are nearly 35% students, they crack the NET and SLAT examination. So we have to work more. I am very grateful that within a short notice, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Naluja and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Tripura University and our also esteemed university, they are on the way from the airport. They will be joining this program and they will be blessing you.